I'm just waiting for it to load up. 1 minute. Yes. Okay, great. Hi, everybody. So today was our first day of reopening. So we thought we would kind of show you a little bit about what we've actually been doing today. Obviously, as you're aware, we can only treat the body at the moment. We can't do any face treatments. We have been non-stop all day with treating body, which is fantastic. We've been so happy to be back. So Darcy is with us today, and she is going to show you guys what it's like to come in for a treatment in the new 2020 way into VL Aesthetics. So hi Darcy, how do you feel about being back to work?
It's fantastic. It's not as different as what I thought it would be.
Yeah.
And it's just really great to be back and doing treatments again.
Fantastic. So we are going to chat a little bit about laser hair removal for the body, because it is one treatment that we can do, and we do it very, very effectively. So at VL Aesthetics, we basically use a class 4 medical grade laser in order to permanently reduce hair growth. And we use the Cynosure Elite, which is one of the leading kind of most trusted laser suppliers in the laser hair removal business. The technologies combined are both basically an Alexandrite and an ND YAG, which is perfect. Both lasers are perfect for treating different skin types, which means we can treat all skin types. So areas that we're able to treat at the minute, Darcy, do you just want to run through what areas we can treat?
Yeah, so we can treat underarms, legs, the sort of the bikini area, and further in from that as well. Just anything from the neck down, basically, we can treat with laser.
Yeah, perfect. And we've been doing a lot of it, which is fantastic. And we also can treat the face when we're able to do that. In a nutshell, the way that laser basically works is the aim is to basically permanently reduce hair growth, for those of you who didn't know what laser hair removal does. And this is basically achieved through targeting the melanin within the hair, which in turn raises the temperature enough to damage the hair follicles without causing damage to the epidermis, which is the skin, and the surrounding tissue. And it's very, very successful in the vast majority of people. Coarse hair tends to respond a little bit better than fine hair, but we always fine tune the settings. And the way that we do that is by doing a test patch. So what would happen now in this new modern age of laser hair removal? What would somebody expect coming in, let's say for a hair removal consultation? What would you chat them through?
So we chat them through which area it is that they want treated. We'd have a little look at the hair colouring and the texture of the hair as well, and discuss any questions that they may have. Our setup is we've got a very minimal setup here, very clinical, as it always has been.
Yeah.
And it's just great. Yeah.
Fantastic. Do you maybe want to show us around the laser room a little bit? And let's say, this is strange because we actually are in the same clinic. We're in the same building. We're just in different rooms.
So as you can sort of see here, so the bed has no towels on it whatsoever.
Yep.
We do have a mask provided if you don't have one of your own. I mean, if you've got your own, that's great. You can bring that with you. Also goggles. Everything after every treatment in here is all sanitized down, from the door handle to the sofa here, and the bed, and fresh paper towels all popped on. Everything's all wiped down. We've got hand sanitizer there as well, and our alcohol wipes too. Perfect. And this is about it, really. There's not a lot to change. I mean, I think the main thing that's sort of going to change is kind of what we're wearing. Yeah. So obviously we do now have a visor on. We've always wore gloves. We've got our apron on as well. And we'll have our goggles on as well for protective eyewear. But there's not really much of a difference.
Yeah, exactly.
It's just, there's nothing to worry about when you come in. And as I say, everything is sanitized before anybody else comes in the room. And it's all fresh.
Yeah, because I was asked how difficult was it for you as a business to become COVID secure? To be perfectly honest, it wasn't difficult for us in the slightest. Yes, we've had to invest more in certain types of PPE that we never wore before. And also we've got a big screen at reception, which we've had to invest in, which makes it a lot easier for our reception team to be able to do their job comfortably, essentially, and safely, which is the main thing that we need to bear in mind. So yeah. Pretty much anything laser related, we can treat from the body. We can treat laser hair removal, pigmentation removal, vein removal, thread vein removal with our laser machine. And we can do that now. We literally, you can book in for a consultation. We can chat you through everything, and then get started with having to never shave or wax or tweeze again. How great would that really be? So convenient. Yeah, definitely. Right, let me see if we have any questions. Hi, yes. It's good that you're back. Yes, it is great that we're back. Thank you very much. We were happy to be back.
Definitely.
And hopefully it won't be too long before we can start treating the face again. But we're enjoying so far treating the body, which is the main thing. And as well, treatment times vary. They're very, very quick treatment times. They range between 10 minutes to up to 45 minutes, depending on the area which we're treating. So we can really do head to toe in quite a fast amount of time, really. Generally for laser, we would generally recommend a program of about 6 to 8 sessions. Again, how far apart you have them will depend on what area we're treating, but we chat you through everything when you come in for your consultation. But yeah, I really like this this stylish PPE look. I think it's great. I really, really like it.
Yeah, it's not been too much to get used to.
No.
And you know, the first treatment coming in, it was like, all right, okay, this is different. Okay. But as the days gone on, you know, it just became the new normal, and it doesn't feel strange. Like, I don't feel like I've got a visor on because it's like soft and that kind of thing. So, you know, whatever keeps us safe, that's all that matters, and we can still do our jobs effectively. So,
which is the main thing. The key for us getting back was to have as little disruption to the day-to-day running of the business, because we still want to be able to provide you with the same high quality service that we provided to you before, and we have provided for you for years prior, but we just had to do it in the safe, COVID secure way, which we are hoping that we have managed to do that. We've got all the procedures in place, all the risk assessments, so you guys can feel safe and comfortable and just visit VL Aesthetics exactly like you did before lockdown, which is the main thing. That's our job, to keep you guys safe. So thank you all, and we can't wait to see you in the next couple of weeks. Thanks, Darcy.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye.